Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show a science experiment which is related to daily life and sustainable living also. So our experiment name is Effects of Turmeric Indicator on Acid and Alkaline. So let's begin. For this experiment I need some water, lemon juice which is the acidic solution, detergent solution which is the alkaline solution, turmeric paste which is the indicator here, and it is made from turmeric powder and water. A piece of paper, scissors and a spoon for mixing to mix the turmeric powder. At first we will take the turmeric paste and spread it all over the paper. Like this we have to spread. After it dries, I have to scrape up the turmeric powder from it, and the paper will look like this. After that, I have to cut the turmeric paper into some strips. Likewise, I have to cut. We have to cut it into 2 strips. First, we will take 1 strip and dip it into the lemon juice which is the acidic solution. And now we can see that it has turned into a yellow shade. Now I will take another turmeric strip and dip it into the detergent solution which is the alkaline solution. Now we can see that it has turned into a red shade. So this is the color difference between the lemon juice which is the acidic solution here and the detergent solution which is the alkaline solution here. Turmeric changes color due to a chemical in it called curcumin. In this experiment I have used turmeric paper, but instead of this we can use blue and red litmus paper also. In acidic, the blue litmus paper changes to red, while the red litmus paper does not changes any color. In alkaline, the red litmus paper changes to blue, while the blue litmus paper does not changes color. While in neutral, the both litmus paper does not changes any color. In this experiment, I have used turmeric paste, and it is related to sustainable living. It has many benefits such as reducing inflammation, relieving pain, because it has antioxidant properties. It may also help in liver diseases and helps to boost our immune system. It is also used in milk to form golden milk, which helps to reduce cough and cold. Lemon juice has high amounts of vitamin C, which helps in healing wounds. Some benefits of lemon are preventing kidney stones, anemia prevention, cancer prevention, weight loss, and boosting our immune system. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.